Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. On this channel we talk all about life, food, family, and fun, and everything that affects us on a regular basis. So if you're interested in food hacks and makeup tips, parenting tricks, marriage tips, all that kind of stuff, please consider subscribing to my channel. That's that red button down over there. And then when you do, hit the bell so you're notified of every video that I post, which happens every Tuesday and Thursday. Also follow me on Facebook at Inspiring Women, Heather Gerhardt 11. I'll put the link in the description below, and then you can follow me there and find my post there as well. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Today I'm going to share with you a parenting tip that will make memories for you and your kids that they will cherish for their entire lifetime. So if you're interested in learning what that is, stay tuned and let's do this.
Done properly, parenting is a heroic act. Done properly.
Okay, so one of the things that we started to do with our boys, I wish we had done this with our girls, but actually when they were born, I'm gonna age myself here, but when they were born, there wasn't email. Oh my gosh. There wasn't email. But for our boys, there is email. And so what we did is when they were first born, we set up, actually my husband did, set up email accounts for them. And we have, over the years, posted emails to them whenever they had a special event, or they said something really funny, or they did something sweet, or just something that we wanted to remember. And we'd post maybe a picture with it, or just shoot them an email and tell them what we thought or what we had done that day and what was special. And then when they turn 18, we are going to give them access to this email account, and they can go back through all these years and emails and kind of read some of the things they were doing and some of the things they said and the way that we felt about it and just things that we wanted to remember. Because sometimes, you know, you make a scrapbook or even post on Facebook, you don't always capture just something hilarious or something really sweet. And so it's just a really cool way to kind of document some important things in their lives. And even if they're 15 right now and your kids are older, just start one wherever they're at. If they're under 18 and they're still at home, just start it at whatever age they're at and start sending them some videos or some pictures or an email just telling them how you're feeling about them that day. And I think it's really special that when they're starting off their life on their own, they'll have this collection of emails from you or dad or whoever that just they can read through and go through and just remember their childhood. So I hope that you will try this if you haven't already and get an email account for your kids. Okay, so that's everything for today's video. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It does help my channel. Give it a thumbs up, and also leave me a comment below on any kind of fun parenting thing that you know of or would like me to feature on a future video. And otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired, and I will see you in the next video. See you, ladies.